Remember that one time in music class when it was wintertime and the teacher decided to sit back and put on the 12 days of Christmas? You probably wondered, how many gifts did true love give? I guess we could painfully add the gifts on a calculator to find out how many gifts the true love gave. But that's boring. Is there a simpler way? First, let's try to simplify it. Take one day, the fourth one. Notice how the items naturally fit in a triangle, kind of like bowling pins. If we double the triangle, we can get a rectangle, dimensions 5 by 4, which has 20 items. The rectangle gets its base 4 from the base of the triangle, and its height from the height of the triangle plus 1. Since two triangles add up to make up the rectangle, the triangle should have half the number of items as the rectangle, 10. You can check for yourself by adding the number of circles. But let's take a step back. How do we prove this numerically? The first row has 1 item, the second 2 items, the third 3 items, and the fourth 4 items. We compare the numbers so both pairs add up to 5. 1 paired with 4 and 2 paired with 3. There are 2 pairs since 4 divided by 2 is 2. 5 times 2 is again 10. We can also use this trick with larger numbers. Try 100. There's 50 pairs and each pair adds up to 101. So all the numbers from 1 to 100 add up to 5050. Now that we've seen a couple examples, we can generalize it. With any number, n, we can add up all the numbers 1 to n by adding up all the pairs which equal n plus 1. I prefer this equation because it's easier to see the connection of adding up all the pairs. Both 10 and 5050 are called triangle numbers, the number of objects arranged in a triangle. Triangle numbers are a simple concept stemming from adding numbers, but are found in many places, one of which being Pascal's triangle, which has an abundance of math concepts. The reason we can find the triangle numbers in Pascal's triangle is because of the natural numbers, a row above, added to the previous triangle numbers. Now we know how to calculate the number of gifts on a particular day. We can visualize triangles being stacked on top of each other, creating a pyramid. To get the number of presents for all 12 days, we can add up all 12 of the first triangle numbers. Therefore, 364 is the number of all the gifts. We can also find 364 on Pascal's triangle. 364 is what's called a tetrahedral number. Like how stacking the natural numbers gave us a triangle number, we can stack the triangle numbers to give us tetrahedral numbers. It's interesting how a simple question can lead to a clever process. Happy holidays.